Wish you a very happy new year, all of you and all of my all learners who are watching my video. And I just tell you guys, this video will be very helpful those learners who truly want to achieve fluency in this year, because today I am going to share you what I have done in 2025 which makes me fluent in English. So are you very excited? So just start the video right away, because I don't want to waste anybody's time, because time is very precious. So let's jump into the today's topic. So when I started my journey in 2025, that time I had no idea I will achieve fluency or not, because that time I was just doing unconsciously, like I was just randomly watching those videos would come off in my my feed. I just wasted my time in here and there, wandering here and there. But when I started watching Sunita English Adventure, Sunita's ma'am channel videos, then I just uh, got surprised how she is good at English. She is eloquent speaker and her English is fabulous. I just want to speak like her. The way she speak, the way she articulate the thoughts, it's very fabulous. It's very fascinating for me right now, and I just in this year I just want to speak like her. So today I'm going to share, like, if you have a clear roadmap about English, then your journey will be very smooth. Your journey will be very easy. You will get the fluency very easily. But if you have any doubt, any misconception about English, like English is very hard, I can't do it, it's feel me very discomfort when I start talking in front of people, then you will never get the fluency. So today I'm going to tell you about what I did, major thing which make me fluent in English. So first thing first, I just started my journey with daily routine. This will make you fluent in English. This is the first step. When you start, you describing the day, what you have done and what you do and what are you going to do. It's all about your day. It's all about your planning. It's all about your future. So this will make you fluent in English, because I have started like this. I just started my day like I just get up early in the morning. I'm going to take a nap. I am going to prepare a breakfast for my family. Right now, I am preparing the breakfast. Right now, I am rolling the chapati. Right now, I second thing, whatever you have done all the day, then just describe it when you go to the bed. Then these all things will make you fluent in English, because I have been consistently doing this thing every single day without speaking any day. It's doesn't matter I am ill, it doesn't matter I'm not feeling well, it doesn't matter I have lot of thing to do, my plate is full. But the thing is that if you have a desire to speak English, you have to do it consistently, because consistency is the key of learning any language. So start adapting all the thing. Start describing the day, what you do every day. Then while making anything, like while doing any work, just start speaking. This is the thing. And like you are going to suppose that you are going to brushing your teeth, then pick up the brush and start talking with them, like I am going to brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I'm going to take a bath. I have finished with all my chores and I'm going to practice English. Whatever you have done, just describe the thing. and whatever you are doing, just start right now. And when you go to bed, just uh, do it a very simple